Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beading. These rectangle open matte silver earring posts are super cool. They come with the ear nuts, so you can just put those right on after you take off the protective pieces that they ship with. These little fun charms in sterling silver are terrific for lots of things, but they go nicely with these prestige crystals 4mm bicones on some head pins. And all of that together will create little dangles onto those rectangular earring posts. Now, you could wear those earring posts just like they are, but I think they're much more fun with some dangles. So I'm gonna put these little bicones onto these 1.5-inch silver-filled head pins. They're flat ends. You could use ball ends as well. And I'm going to create a loop with round nose pliers and then put them directly onto that rectangle. And I'm going to hold with my chain nose pliers and do a few wraps around that crystal. And then I'm going to cut off my excess and use my chain nose pliers to tighten up the little end of my head pin. And then that is our first little crystal. You could put just one on, but I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to take some 4mm jump rings to add those little drop charms, and I'm going to use 3 crystals and 3 drop charms for each earring. So I have some wire wrapping to do. I have some opening and closing of jump rings to do to attach to each one of my rectangle pieces. You could use just about any small beads and small charms for these fun posts, and you don't even have to hunt for ear wires because these post earrings just go right into your ears. So I love these. I think they're so much fun, so easy to make. You could add more dangles, less dangles. It's just really kind of your own choice, but I'm hoping this will give you some inspiration and ideas. And I don't always think we think of post earrings when we think about making jewelry. So these are super fun. I love the movement. I love that they have that open frame and then all of the pretty little dangles below. You can find everything to make these fun earrings at beadaholic.com. I hope you'll give them a try. Thanks for watching.